Good afternoon, friends. This is Pawan Verma, and today is 3rd of October 2023. Presently, we will discuss the stock which we are having, which has satisfied our strategy, which has been already disclosed to you all. That is Ichimoku and MACD. Means on the combination of these two indicators, we have developed our own strategy, and on that basis, we have shortlisted the uh, list of stocks, those who are satisfying the conditions which has been laid down in the stat. So friends, on the basis of the strategy, that is equal to base strategy, we have got three stocks, that is Federal Bank, uh, LIC Housing Finance Limited, as and Cholamandalam Investment and 1 minute. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited. These are the three stocks which are satisfying the strategy which has already been disclosed to you all. Now, friends, we are just moving to the chart for the further analysis whether we should enter into the market or not. See, this is an educational video, and the concept is being delivered to understand the trading ideas, whether one should enter into the market or not, or when to enter into the market. So all the criteria for trading is being disclosed here. So friends, just we will see on the basis of the trading concept for analysis. Now we are moving to analyze the Federal Bank. So friends, this is the chart of Federal Bank Limited. What you are observing, just visualize. What your friends, what you are visualizing, and what I have told you earlier. First, identify the position of the cloud file, where it is, whether it is in the cloud or it is above the cloud or it is below the cloud, and that is below the price or above the price. If these, if the position of a Chicago span is above the cloud as well as above the price, the particular trade stock is said to be bullish. First of all, initial and the primary case level. Thereafter, we have to see the Tinkerson crossover, where it is, first of all. The Tinkerson crossover and simultaneously the MACD crossover. Both the indicator has given the instant signal at around 10 for at around 9:15 a.m. today. 9:15 a.m. today, and the trigger price for the stock Federal Bank was 149 rupees 10 paisa. Thereafter, stock has reached the first target, that is 151.20, and the second target is 154.70. Sorry. Now friends, this is the chart of 15 minutes, and we are analyzing the Federal Bank. What more points has to be covered? Just see. Tinkerson crossover was observed below the cloud, and accordingly the trigger price was 1445, this one. This is the trigger price. So friends, this is the trigger price that was not 149 pence, that is 147.90. 147.90 is the trigger price for the Federal Bank, my dear friends. As the crossover has been seen on 3rd of on 29th of September 2023 at around 13:30 in case of Ichimoku trading system, whereas the MACD has given the confirmation at around 14:45. And this from this particular candle, if we will look back 26 period to find out the highest price made by the stock during this duration in means last 26 candle. So this is the particular candle where the close was the highest, that is 147.90 is the close, which is the highest in this duration. So in the morning itself today, what we are observing that above this price we could have placed the order and just see how the target has been achieved. Now see what is going on here. The first target has been achieved, that is 151.20, and the second target is 154.70. What I am trying to say is, see, the gapping between the Tinkersen and Kindusen is quite high. So what does it reflect? That the buying pressure has been reduced some as compared to the initial session. Initial session means from the starting of session, the buying pressure has been reduced significantly. And what we are observing today, right now, we are observing that span B is coming downward. Span B is coming downward. Span B is flat. What do you understand by this particular scenario? See, if this is the scenario, means if you not see this tilt, downward tilt, and this tilt was upward, if you analyze here, up to here, then it denotes that the price can break this high. It may not come down and rest towards the single chain. The price, while retracement I am talking, it can come and rest to the level of single chain, but the potentiality for moving high towards high is quite high, and this level can be breached 152.25. 152.30. This level can be breached by this particular candle. Secondly, what we are observing here, the price is above Tinker's right now. The closing by this below this line has been vanished. Now wait for 12 minutes. You will see that the price is above Tinker's. So unless and until the price comes below the Tinker's, one should not draw a conclusion that the price can retrace to the level of previous change. So here the upward movement chances is quite high and the breaching of level is also quite high because the price is above intention first of all. And though the buying pressure has been reduced as compared to the starting of session, but the price is above intention, one should stay in the means one should hold the position right now. This is not the recommendation right now. This is only the judgment that one should be in trade till the single sale price comes below that intention. Now comes the stop loss. What should be the stop loss? The initial stop loss should be at around 147, which has been marked. Thereafter, when the stock has achieved its target, thereby it has made the low. The cow span has made the low of 150.10. This should be the stop loss on the current scenario. And what is the possibility of reaching this level? That can be determined from the from analyzing of 1 hour chart. You can clear cut visualize that MACD is giving the crossover right now, and Pinkerton convention crossover is already be done in 1 hour chart. So this is the yeah. So breaching. So this is the trigger price in the 1 hour chart, and as per 1 hour chart, this should be the stop loss. And making it bold and to identify the difference. So this is the 149.45 is the stop loss, and the target is clear cut. One target is reflecting here, that is 154.65. Because this the crossover is seen at around MACD crossover is seen at around 12:15 today, and it has just initiated the crossover, means the MACD is crossing the signal line right now in 1 hour chart. So we expect that in the 15 minutes time frame, this particular level will be reached. So we should wait and watch the level of this one, 151.35. So friends, this is the analysis done for the petrol bank. Now we will move to LIC housing. LIC housing. LIC housing. So friends, what should be the trigger price in case of LIC Housing Finance? LIC Housing Finance, MACD has given the signal prior to the signal given by the Ichimoku system. Just see, MACD has given the signal at around 11:30, and at around 11:45 we have got the trading signal from the not 11, yes, 11:45 in case of Ichimoku trading system. So this particular candle, 11:45 candle, is the trend confirmation candle, and from here if we will look back 26 period to identify the highest price made by this stock during this duration, what we are just seeing, we are just finding that the trend confirmation candle close is the highest price made by the stock. And what we are observing, this is the target also by the pivot, one of the target or resistance you can say, make it clear. So 475. So friends, unless and until the stock is traded above 475, one should not enter into the trade in case of LIC Housing Finance. Thereby, the next target is 484.55. After 484.55, we will just decide what will be the second target. But initially, we should focus on 484.55 unless and until the stock is traded above 475. For further analyzing the trend, we should move towards the 1 hour chart for analysis. What we are observing here, see, the crossover is being seen by the Ichimoku trading system, and Shinkansen and Kinryusen are tilting upward. Span A is also tilting upward, span B is also tilting upward. MACD is in the verse to generate the signal, means it is in the verse to cross the signal line from downward to upward, from below to up. So friends, all the factors has been satisfied. Secondly, one last point which has to be considered, that is the position of Chicago span. Chicago span position is above the cloud as well as above the price. So friends, at this stage we have just determined the trigger price. We have to determine the trigger price, and that is as per 1 hour chart, that is 473 point, this is 473.05. So friends, 473 and up to 473 to 475, one should acquire the stock and hold till 1 484. This is 484.50. So friends, this is the analysis of LIC Housing Finance, and the one last point left, that is the finalization of stop loss. What should be the stop loss? First of all, in case of aggressive buyer, one should place the stop loss at around 472.50 in, as per the entry made by the 15-minute chart of 475. One should enter at around exit from the trade at around 472.50 because this is the lowest bottom made by the Chicago span, corresponding Chicago span. Just see here. Aggressive buyer means day trader. And for the safer or those who are holding the stock, they can place the stop loss to the level of span B, that is 463. So friends, all the parts, all the important aspects of this particular LIC housing finance has been discussed. And last is Chola finance. Let me check. That is Chola pin is the symbol. So what is going on the Chola pin? Chola pin. Yes, please. This is the chart of Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Corporation. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited. Sorry. See what we are just observing here. The crossover is seen at around 11:45 in case of Ichimoku trading system, whereas MACD has given the signal at around 10:45. So trend confirmation candle is of 11:45 a.m. today, and that is the trend confirmation candle. And from here, if we will look back 26 period to find out the highest price made by the stock during this duration, the close of 11 a.m. candle is the highest price made by the stock during this duration. Just see. This is 1239.35. So friends, we are leaving the 15-minute chart. So what is the value of close? Just see, that is 1239.35. 1239.35. So friends, this is the trigger price for the aggressive trader, and around this price, not around this price, above this price, one should enter into the trade. The stop loss for the particular trade is just below the bottom which is being observed, yeah, which has been made by the Chicago span, that will be treated as the stop loss for this particular trade. And the target is 1260.90, means 1261 you can say, and 1299 or 1300. 1299.85 or 1300. One should be cautious enough at around 1298 or 1297. One should exit the stock. So friends, the target, stop loss, all the vital aspects have been covered and discussed for your knowledge. So friends, analyze with your own, and if you are having some query, and just requesting you to drop an email which is being reflected in the contact section of the YouTube, or you can drop the you can contact me on the comment section also. You just drop your query in the comment section and I will respond it at the earliest to clarify the thing. So friends, I am further requesting you to subscribe this particular channel so that you can get the regular updated video immediately as and when we get the signal confirmation or trade confirmation or the stuff which are satisfying our strategy, which will be disclosed to you all at the earliest. So friends, I am requesting you further to like the video so that we can get the encouragement and thereby boosting our confidence to give much more clear video. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day.